What's going on, Credit Sniper? This is your boy Carlos Estrada with the Credit Assassins team, guys. I'm excited to be here today. Yeah, I wanted to show you my new swag. Man, I love this hat. I love the accent of the black and red. Look at that. It is clean. So guess what, man? This weekend I was at a Growth Con in Miami. It was amazing. I met some amazing people, amazing speakers. Grant Cardone, once again, man, overdid it, over-delivered. Guys, this is something that if you're not part of the whole 10x movement, you want to 10x everything you do. You want to make sure that you are 10x in your life, multiplying 10 times who you are, what you're giving others, what you're doing for business, what you're doing personally, what you're doing for your family. 10x everything, guys. It is a great movement. It is a great concept that once you adopt it, you'll be surprised how much you're able to accomplish in life. But you know what? Let me stop preaching over here. I'm just excited, but thank you for being here today. You know, my name is Carlos Estrada. This is the Credit Assassin. And guys, thank you for actually being here today. I'm gonna show you different ways in which you can start making passive income using your credit. So little things that you can do, because I want you to be successful. I want you to start doing something, because I know that a lot of you still have jobs, just like when I started, guys. I started doing my side hustle, late nights, weekends. I know a lot of you are in the same situation. You want the financial freedom. You want to be able to leave the 9 to 5, spend more time with the kids, and spend more time with the family. And this is the country in which things can happen. You put it in your mind, you dream it, and you go after being consistent. Make sure that you actually go with discipline and take responsibility of your life, and you'll be able to accomplish. Guys, but before I continue, once again, thank you for being here. Make sure if this is your first time, subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you click on the bell icon, click on all. So that you'll be notified every time that I post a new content. But at the same time, guys, give me the thumbs up. You're gonna love this content right here. I'm bringing so much value in this one because I want you to start thinking different. I want you to start thinking different about your life. I want you to start thinking different about everything that you do, because I want you to be successful. And credit is one of those things, because remember what I say, money talks, but credit has conversations. Guys, so why you want to become financially free? Why? Guys, so let me tell you the term or the definition why or how you become financially free. Now, when you actually have the passive income, when passive income is the investment that you make, and the investment that you make spits out that positive income monthly, when that positive income that you make out of all your investments supersedes or surpass your bills, your monthly bills, that's when you become financially free. Because guess what? You don't have to work. All you could do is actually live all that passive income and be able to pay your bills. And this is the creation of financially wealthy. This is how it starts, because you want to start continually doing compounding it so that you are able to become financially free. And that's what we all strive to do, right? Especially if you have that entrepreneur mindset, guys. There are so many ways. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw you a couple things out there. So I could get you thinking, so I could get you out of that shell, the 9 to 5, so you can start doing something for you. Now, obviously, credit is one of those things. Why you want to have credit is because credit is going to help you as a vehicle to either get the course that you actually going after in order to learn the system that you actually going to use to create the finance that will become financially free. So let me give you some ideas, and guys, take it as it is. If you want to know more about it, throw it in the comments, and I try to find some of the gurus that could help you out, and I could bring them along. We could do some presentations, we could do some interviews, and if you guys want to know more about it, then let me know. Throw it in the comments. Now, I wrote a couple things down, and obviously I have my trusted Remarkable. Love this thing. This is amazing. If you don't have one, get one. No, they're not paying me a dime, nor I get anything. I'm not gonna put a link over here. It's just amazing. You have a whole book. I have so much notes in just a little plain book, but lovely, guys. Now let's talk about some of the things that I want to talk about is if a way to create become financially free is to start creating. If you know something that everybody wants to know, if you know something that you think can impact people, if you know something that people would want to learn about, because you are the SME or the subject matter expert on that subject, guys, create a course. Let others know who you are, what you do, and get out there. And guess what? Yes, you're gonna require some bills, how to create a course, or you can go to YouTube. YouTube has so much information for you to learn. You could do that, but at the same time, you also need the platform that you are gonna start using. So you could use a credit card. If you don't have credit, you see how everything comes together: credit, finances, and a course. Because a course, once you create a course, you could put it online. You could talk about it, you could sell it. Sounds familiar, right? This is what we do. We created a course on something that is amazing and definitely is the best credit blueprint, something that can definitely help you out. So let's move on. You create an ebook. Again, if you know something, you don't want to go the creating a course route, you don't want to talk in front of people, that's okay. You are an introvert, you want to actually be able to just write your thoughts, and that's something that works best for you, then do that. You could definitely have landing pages, funnels, websites, and be able to sell what you know, because other people may benefit from it. Guess what, guys? We are here on this earth to be able to impact others positively. So it's your job to, if you know something, put it in paper, speak about it, teach others, so like that they can move forward too. Now, rental income, guys. This is one that I love. How I started into my whole real estate, and now I'm a multi-family real estate investor. How did I start doing and everything, even with credit? I started as a residential real estate investor. Yes, I started flipping, I started doing the wholesales, I started doing the tax deeds and tax liens. And how can you use credit? Well, guess what? Most of the time, in order for you to get in some of these flips, for you to buy some of these liens, tax deeds, tax liens, and even flips, is fairly between $5,000, $10,000, $15,000. And if you have a credit card, guess what you can use in order to make more money? Remember when you heard the gurus say about OPM? Guess what, guys? A credit card is OPM. It's other people's money. It's not your money. It's the bank's money that you can use, invest, make money, pay it off, and continue doing the same over and over. Guys, another way that you can do and make money online and create some passive income is affiliate marketing. Guys, almost every product out there has an affiliate marketing link, affiliate marketing program, in which, hey, you can get in touch with them. Most of the products that you love, if you go to the bottom of the website, they usually have a become an affiliate, or how you can resell their products. How can you make an income by selling the products? And what you do, you take whatever a product that is, and you go and market it somewhere in your social media, in a funnel, in a website that you have, and you make a percentage of every sale that you make. Now, guess what? We even do that in the Best Credit Blueprint and Credit Assassins. If you sell any of our courses, you also make a commission. We give you all the products. We give you the funnels. We give you the email swipe, the funnel swipe, file. And guess what, guys? You are able to make money without having to work, without having to create the program. By just using your influence and the network that you have, you can continue to be making money. Now, another way that you could do is flip retail products. And what do? Hey, if you go to Amazon, that's Amazon, eBay, that's one of the main sites where people sell all the people's products. They buy for small price and they sell it to retail, thus making a lot of money. That's e-commerce right there. So that's another way. And you will need some money to actually start investing. Most of us don't have the cash at hand. So guess what comes into play? A credit card. Your credit. You could do so much in order to make more money. Another way, hey, if you know something that could help someone, guys, people have become billionaires, millionaires by providing a solution to a problem. Create an app. Right now, everything is an app. You look, so many things have happened, so many things have been developed, so many, like, guys, like MapQuest. Remember MapQuest what it was? And now they became maps. Like, you know what? I remember it was like TomTom, and you had well, you had so many other ones. I don't remember the top of my head, but you see how things have changed. Every day there's an update to different things. Is people have, people come up with ideas and they put into play. They create apps. They create something that could help someone. Just remember that if you want to create real wealth, find a solution to a problem that's already happening that nobody has been able to actually find a solution for. And if you do, you can definitely become very wealthy. Now, another way, I know you guys heard of Airbnb. Airbnb is one of those things that you don't even have to own the property in order to do Airbnb. You could find a landlord that is willing to rent to you and agrees for you to sublet or to rent that place to other people, and you could create money. A lot of the times the down payment that you put for that apartment, the security deposit, can be put on a credit card, and you could be making that amount of that payment to that credit card, the initial investment, in a month or two, and continue be making money month after month after month. Guys, these are models that have revolutionized the world, especially in the United States. I mean, Airbnb is worldwide. But guys, that's another way that you can start creating wealth for yourself and become financially free. And lastly, you could sell your designs online. Guys, if you know something, if you have an eye for art, for clothing, for shoes, for whatever, for hats, guys, there's a lot of people, there's a market for almost for anything out there. Just find your niche, and your niche is the specific people that will love what you have. Trust in yourself. We all are special in life, guys. You have something that people want to know about. You have something in you that can actually make a lot of people happy. And by you doing that, by you finding that solution and providing that value to others, you could become very wealthy. Don't forget that credit can help you and can be a vehicle for you to get there. And I know, I talk about credit all the time, but I also want to talk to you about what I do with credit. I've created credit, and I've been able to develop this blueprint for myself, and I'm sharing it with you. But I developed it in order for me to continue to be making money. Guys, if you hear me, I wasn't born in the United States. I know that I had to take every opportunity available in order to do what I wanted to do. That's what I knew. I knew that people didn't have the same mentality as me, and I wanted to better myself every single day. And this is what I want for you. I want to bring to you what I know. And you might have something even better than what I know. So I want you to share with others, share with our community, share with other people. But get out there, impact others positively. That's what I want for you. Use credit as a vehicle, and if we can help you in the best credit blueprint, let us do it. We'll grab you by the hand, we'll walk you through, we'll cross the bridge together, and we'll make sure that you get to the credit that you need in order for you to start investing and become financially wealthy. Guys, thank you for being here today. I'm so passionate about this, and I hope that you're actually passionate about this too as well. Now guys, if this was your first time on this channel, I hope you loved it. Please comment, let me know how we did, how we can do better, and any other topic that you guys might want to hear about. But at the same time, guys, make sure you subscribe, make sure you click on the bell icon, make sure that you give me the thumbs up, because that's going to help me with the YouTube algorithm. Guys, thank you. My name is Carlos Estrada. This is the Credit Assassins, and I'll see you in the next video.